Tired of wrestling with paper and pens? Let's unlock the power of Docusign and make document signing a breeze by learning how to easily add fields. First, access your Docusign account by logging in through your web browser. Once you're in, click on the New button. It's usually prominent on your dashboard, and then select Upload to choose the document you want to make fillable. After your document uploads, you'll be in the Docusign editing environment. On the left-hand side, you'll see a panel of field options. Let's start with the essentials. Drag and drop the signature field onto the area where you need a signature. Repeat this process with the initial and date signed fields, placing them appropriately in your document. These fields are crucial for legally binding agreements. Now, let's add a text field. Drag the text field onto your document where you need someone to enter information. You can resize it by clicking and dragging the corners to fit the designated space. To customize a field, click on it. A properties panel will appear on the right here. You can change the font, make the field required, or even add validation rules to ensure the correct type of information is entered. Once you've added all the necessary fields and customized them to your liking, click the Send button in the top right corner. Enter the recipient's email address and a personalized message, and you're all set. Your document is now ready to be signed electronically. Say goodbye to paper and hello to efficiency.